come on and show you some of the updates. I'm a little bit behind, but I wanted to jump in here and show those of you who have not seen those updates and bring them to your attention. First of all, now on the home screen, you can see some featured images. And if you'll notice, you have these little save icons here. And that means that you can save your favorite images now to your favorites. Okay, so that when you go and you look up your images, let's just go in here. You can see right here, I can look on save, but you see that my favorites are starting to pop up in here. So that's going to allow you, like right here, you can click on the saved, and now those saved images are here sorted out for you. So new feature, loving that, because I haven't gone in and marked all of mine yet, but I have like hearts and butterflies that I use and flowers that I use a lot. Now I can mark them and save them into my favorites here. So brand new feature, and awesome job for getting those. So the next thing that we want to cover are uploads. Our uploads have changed a little bit. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on upload image, just as we did before, and then you're going to browse or drag and drop. So I'm just going to drop in a couple of images, and let's see, I think this is the one. This is one that somebody asked me how you would do this, because they just want the black lettering and they want a white background. But if you don't want to do print and cut, there's a couple of things you're going to have to do. So you're going to hit complex, and you're going to come down here and continue. And then you can remove the background. You can use this automatic remove background tool if you are an Access subscriber. And using that automatic background tool, it's going to do that for you. Okay, and this may not be the greatest image for this, so I'm just going to revert that back. You can still, if you are not an Access subscriber, use the basic tools that were always there for you. And so we're going to hit select our wand right here. We're going to come in and we're just going to click the inside. Okay, and now you also still have your advanced options. They are just now called more options. They used to be advanced. So if you need to change that color tolerance to maybe a 25, and let's do that remove background, you can see that it's going to clean it up a little bit differently. And images are going to, they are going to be different depending on where you get them from. And this is a copyrighted image, so it could be hard to clean up. But you still have your eraser, you still have your restore. And even if you're not an Access subscriber, you're going to have those tools. And that restore is just if you have erased something that you didn't want to erase, you can come back and put that back in. Love, love, love that tool. Let's do another one just to show you some of the things that you can do. I'm going to replace image, and we're going to, let's drop in another one. Oops, that is the wrong one. Maybe this one's a better one, and I'll just show you that. Just, you need to make sure that you're selecting good images. So if your first one didn't clean up well, and I have a little icon in my way, I apologize here. Let me pull my screen over just so I can hit continue. You guys probably can't see that, but I can. So now I'm going to do the remove background with the auto, and that cleans up a lot better. So that's a much better image for this. I'm going to revert it. So if you do not have access, you're going to select your wand, and then you're just going to click in between all your letters. And then you're going to, of course, continue. And then you would save this as a cut image or a print image. If you're wanting to cut it, you're of course going to save it as cut. And then you're going to name it and tag it. This is your only chance to name and tag it, so make sure that you're doing that, because if you don't, then you can't go back and change that name. And so when you search for it, you would never find that. I'm not keeping that, so it doesn't matter. So I'm going to bring that into the canvas. And let's just say that you saved it as a cut image. You can always make it, flatten it for a printable, but if you need that background to be a certain color or whatever, you can come in here with your offset, and you can do a large offset or you can do a smaller one. I'm just going to do a smaller one here and apply. And I'm just going to bring that out and then take this offset and I am going to click on contour. And then when I click on the contour button, I am going to contour out that center. Oops, or hide all contours actually. And let's hide all. And come back, and now you can make that any color you want if you're layering. I'm just going to make it yellow so that you can see it. And now you can bring this in and align it center, and you can cut the two colors. So super simple and super easy. I will do one more upload image just so you can see how it works with other images. And here's one of a flower. We're going to click on complex. We're going to continue, and let's just use the auto background, and you can see it got most everything, but there's still a little bit of stuff in there. You can use your eraser, change the size of it however you need, and come in and you can clean up those other pieces. And when you're cleaning up, let's say that you're trying to get close to this edge and you want to clean it up and oops, you slip, again, you can go back to your restore and you can come in here and you can bring back just those pieces. Okay, so if you needed to bring back the leaf, you could come back here and bring in whatever it is that you need to bring back to your image. Okay, so hopefully that covers the changes for you guys. And one more thing I wanted to throw in, I'm going to go back to my canvas. If you are looking for your linked cartridges, they changed it back to image sets way back, but now if you want to get to them from your home screen, you can click on view all right here, and then click right here at the top in category, click on featured, and here are your image sets. If you want to see all of the free cartridges that are free for the week or featured, they're all going to be here, or you can come down here to the drop down and click on purchased and show what you have for purchase. If you've saved them for anything for offline, you can save that just like so, anything that you've downloaded. Or if you want to see licensed content, that is something new as well, where they've separated things out. So these are licensed things like Disney, sorts of stuff like that. And let's go into just regular images. And let me get out of featured. Let me go back to all. Let me go. Let's just go home. There we go. And I'm going to go to my canvas right here. And so if I'm looking for an image right here, you can see that if you want to look for licensed content, I'm in image sets. I don't want to be in image sets. Browse all images. There we go. So if you're in browse all images right here, all of your licensed content, Disney, Marvel, Sesame Street, everything is going to be down here separated out for you so that you can search for what you want to search for. If you were just looking for Star Wars licensed images, you can do that. And it may take it a moment. My internet has a lot of things going on right now. But it's going to bring up all of those 1,800 images for you. So you can make sure that you're using all of your filters for whatever it is that you're looking for. Things that you've uploaded, if you just want to see all of your uploads. Anything that you have purchased, different language, that is new. And then you can, of course, look if you're looking for 3D projects, you can go in and you can sort that out as well. So tons of stuff that you guys can do, new stuff that they've added, and they are working and giving us new content all the time. Hope you guys enjoyed this updated tutorial. If you need any more help, please just let me know. Leave a comment down below, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, or if you're in the guides, leave a comment there on Facebook. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll catch you on the next one.